Hi, I'm Kate. Today I'm at the Lock & Mule in Lockport, Illinois. I'm going to learn about how to make the perfect burger. Okay, today we're here with Chef Dan. And Chef Dan, I've never seen anything cooked on a stove like this. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, so we're a wood fire grill. So what we like to do is we like to use oak and hickory. Oak is for the flame because you really want it to be, a hot source, but then the hickory is for more flavor. So that's where you get the flavor profile of that smokiness from the burger. Secret to the best burger really has to do with making sure it's pattied correctly, and that you kind of want to make sure it's smashed enough where it's not going to meatball. So if you're at home and you always get that little bit of a meatball, you can actually, with your glove, put a little fingerprint in the middle of the burger, and that will stop it from exploding into a meatball. It gives it a little bit more air and surface into it.
All right, that's good. I didn't know that. I learned something new today. I hope you did too. See you next time.